Hello everyone! Today, in this video, we will talk about the most powerful trading indicator. This indicator can potentially make $100 per day on your daily trade. To run this strategy, we need one single indicator. We do backtesting 100 times to prove this indicator win rate. But before we start, please support this channel by subscribing to this channel. In this channel, we talk about trading strategy and tutorials, so you would not miss our next video. We also have a free Telegram channel that provides a trading signal and free education. You can join by clicking the link below. Indicator explained. In this video, we will use one indicator. The indicator is called PMO or Price Momentum Oscillator. This indicator is created by Everget. This momentum oscillator measures the amount of a price change over a given period. The momentum oscillator is the current price divided by the price of a previous period, and the quotient is multiplied by 100. Now, let me explain how to install and setting this indicator. How to set up the indicator. We are using Tradingview to use this indicator. Go to tradingview.com or you can click link in description below and sign up for a free account. You can install 3 indicators for free by register using the link below. Now, go to Product and you will see the market chart. Click on it. Choose a currency pair and set the time frame to 1 hour time frame. Click on Indicator, search Price Momentum Oscillator. Click on it. Please follow my settings on this indicator. First, go to Style, uncheck the crossover, cross under, zero line, plots background, and background color. And then, click OK. Now, your chart will look like this. Next, let me explain how to use this strategy. How to use this strategy. The PMO indicator has 2 lines. The blue line is called the PMO line and the orange line is the signal line. When the PMO line crossing above the signal line, go for buy transaction. When the PMO line crossing below the signal line, go for sell transaction. Now, let me give you some examples. You can see in the chart. First, the PMO line is crossing above the signal line. You can go for a long transaction. Set the stop loss to the last swing low of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1:1 and a half risk-reward ratio. Does this setup hit the take profit? This setup hit the take profit. Next, I will explain the sell entry example. You can see in the chart. First, the PMO line is crossing below the signal line. You can go for a short transaction. Set the stop loss to the last swing high of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Does the setup hit take a profit? This setup hit the take profit. In the next chapter, I will backtest this strategy. We are using Traderedge to do a backtest. Traderedge is the best backtesting web application. Not just a backtest, you can find another strategy with high win rate that has been tested. This application makes you can do the backtest faster than using the Excel. Traderedge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk at all. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Backtesting strategy. Now let's test this most powerful indicator for 100 times trade. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio with 2% of risk for single trade. If we lose, we will lose $20, and if it profit, we will get $30. We will start to use 2% risk for single trade for better account growth. We will do the test on Euro-US with 1 hour time frame. You can see on your screen when I am doing the backtest with this indicator. Let's go to the backtesting result. Backtesting result. Before we discuss about the result, please support this video by giving like and subscribing to this channel. That will keep me motivated to create education for you. Now, we can see the result of this most powerful indicator. The strategy has 57 profit trade and 43 loss trade. It means on 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio, this strategy has 57% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 7 trades in a row, and the consecutive loss is 4 in a row. The account starts from $1,000 and has 85% account growth. So our last balance is $1,850. Let's talk about the conclusion. Conclusion. Now we want to tell you the conclusion of this indicator. The strategy is very easy to use. This indicator has 85% account growth in 7-month period. You can increase the win rate of this strategy by adding the trend filter like EMA 200. So that's all about the most powerful trading indicator in Tradingview. I hope you can understand the content of the video and like the video. Please support this channel by giving a like and subscribing to this channel so we can develop in the future. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free trading signals that can help your trade. See you in my other video.